Y'all already know what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back once again with another update for the Kuro no Kiseki English patch. I'm not even going to tell you what it is this time, but this is 2 days worth. Once again, I felt like I needed to upload this for you guys, just to let you guys know, hey, I got new stuff again. So we're simply going to copy this file. The files are getting smaller, guys. We're going to copy this file and simply post it over here. That's pretty. So what am I saying? We're gonna copy all of these. Boom. Paste over here. That's all you need to do. And then we're gonna launch the game and see what's new, what's changed, what's the happenings in the worlds. It's probably not gonna be much, but hey, it'll be something. I feel like it's 2 days worth, so some things would have been changed. And we're gonna hope for the best. I feel like I'll do this every 2 days for you guys, where I'll update the video every 2 days instead until it's completed. That should let you guys know what's going on. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I've been getting a massive amount of support on these videos, so I really appreciate you guys for watching these videos, man. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna mute myself and then I'll show you what's changed and stuff, so stay tuned for that. Man, that loading screen really takes long when it wants to. If you guys are wondering, by the way, I do have the audio muted, so that's why you guys can't hear anything from the game. But look, even the tutorial options now over here, just the objectives, have been translated to English as well. I think that this is probably the best version of the game. If you were looking for it, this is probably the best one you're going to get. Like, basically everything here has been translated at this point in time. Let's go into the menu options and see, like, bam! Holy crap, like literally everything here, even a lot of the English text now has been translated as well. As you can see, literally everything here has been translated. This is a lot of work, man, that's being done. You can literally see everything at this point. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. I feel like this is probably the best version of the game you're gonna get at this point in time. Literally everything. You look at even the menus here. The controls are translated. This is probably the best you're gonna get at this time. The main menus are probably next.